Hinamak-hamak at minaliit sa Amerika itong Pinoy na lumaban sa undercard ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito ang unang sabak ng Pinoy na si Armonito de la Torre at siya pa ang naging undercard sa laban nitong si Pacquiao. Ang inaabangan ng mga buong manonood na si Pacquiao ang magpapainit sa kanilang kinauupuan ay siyang Pinoy na pala ito ang magpapatayo sa buong American crowd bago lumaban ang ating pambansang kamao. Kahit mismong si Pacquiao ay napanood ang kanyang kababayan at tila proud na proud sa pinamalas nitong laban. Undefeated si Armonito de la Torre sa kartada na 10 wins with 5 knockouts. Samantalang kilalang brutal knockout artist itong kalaban niya na si Jason Butar-Butar na hawak ang kartada na 15 wins with 11 knockout at isa pa lamang ang talo.
Manny Pacquiao, and he beats him up there. Good amateur background, 47 fights, gets 47 amateur fights. Very good boxer, a lot of power. The guy in the black trunk horse, he's heavier, he's younger, 19, and he has a 3.5 inch advantage so far, everything going his way. This side is John Armonito de la Torre, General Santos City, Philippines. Just underway here at the Cotai Arena, Venetian Hotel in Macau, China. Again, the black trucks.
Sa tangkad nga ni Kabayan, hindi mo makikitaan ito ng kabagalan. Agresibo ito umatake sa kanyang kalaban.
All those knockouts, regular boxing. Bouncing around. Stan Rice, third next is Maritime. For De La Torre, let's go with the right. And there it was. De La Torre undefeated. 10-0, 5 knockouts. You better be ready to attack. That time he does. Nice left guard body shots now. First up at toll. Seconds now of the first of 6 rounds. Here's this beautiful Cotai Arena. Going much distance. No steadies. Watch TopRank.com. Leading up to the big fights later on this evening. What a fight card. Features on our Fighters Club Sports Media. You know, you want to see the full Brandon Rios and Billy Dibbs. Right now, we're going to come to one with 11 knockouts. Nice looping right hand by De La Torre. De La Torre trying to really get.
Patuloy sa palitan ng ilang kombinasyon ang ginagawa nitong si Armonito de la Torre.
Closing seconds down. This is the second round. Scheduled 6th round of play. Cotai Arena. There he nailed him with a decent shot. Follows up with a high body shot. And it goes into the book. Here we go with round number 3. In the black trunks, of course, is De La Torre. He looks like he wants to pick it up. And you notice that everything on the tip. He's taller, he's heavier. And now they're saying, yeah, who's he gonna start the knockdown? Huh?
Pagsapit ng ikatlong round, kumonekta ang body shot ni Kabayan. Hindi man gaano kita sa kamera, pero ito ang naging dahilan bakit hindi na nakatayo itong kalaban.
But that's a good knockout for De La Torre, and he was counted out.
Ilang buwan pa lamang ang nakakalipas dahil hindi bilib ang mga hurado sa pagkapanalo nitong Pinoy na si Armonito de la Torre ay inimbitahan muli itong ating kababayan sa Amerika upang kalabanin naman ang isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nilang boksingero na si Jacobus Hiluka. Nahawak noon ang malinis na kartada na 13 wins with 18 knockouts at wala pang bahid na pagkatalo. Habang si Armonito de la Torre ay hawak nito ang 11 wins with 6 knockouts.
Guy in the white and orange, that's Halukas, who's come to fight.
Kita sa kalaban na gustong bigyan nito ang ating Pinoy ng unang pagkatalo. Agresibo din ito at hindi takot sa bigat ng suntok ni Kabayan.
Is Haluka. And Latore has the white with the black and gold trim. And the Colonel Bob Sheridan, you watch TopRank.com streaming worldwide. Glad that you can be with us.
Pero ilang minuto lang mga bossing ay kitang suntok yakap ang diskarte nitong kalaban.
Nikki Reyes is with me here. Nikki originally from Ontario, Canada, now making her home in the boxing capital of the world in Las Vegas. Holding. Referee Tony Best to say no holding, no holding. A stiff jab by De La Torre in the early going around number 1. Haluka settled down now. He came out of house of fire. De La Torre lands a clean blow. De La Torre, the undefeated fighter, has to deal with the wild slinging shots of this Helenas from Surusuru in Indonesia. Finally, he lands a light blow with that right hand. Very wild with his punches, as you can see.
Lumipas ang ilang minuto para sa unang round dahil madaling nakita ni Hermonito de la Torre ang kahinaan nitong kalaban. Sa bawat bitaw ng suntok ay nakayuko ito, ay isang uppercut ang ginawa nito na direktang tumama sa panga nitong kalaban.
Tails are inside of 3. Now, he does like to work fast. How about that? He finally drops him with a clean shot. Is he gonna get out? Doesn't look like it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's all over. Now look at
Muli na namang tagumpay ang ating kababayan ni si Hermonito de la Torre at ang itsura ng kalaban ay gulat na gulat at talagang hindi makapaniwala.
Jacobus Haluka started real fast and it didn't seem to bother De La Torre.
Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.